for Access Club. So today is on 10th of October 2025, and I want to break down a trade. So we are looking at Nasdaq macro, a mini Nasdaq features, and we're currently in the 1 minute time frame. So let's go to 3 minutes time frame. So generally, the market has been buying. The trend has been very bullish, and we had this drop, which found support in the 1 hour by side imbalance and side imbalance. That's a bullish fair value gap. So 50% is the midpoint, 0 is the high, 100 is the low. So you can see we had this drop, which tapped into the midpoint and had a rejection, then sent price higher. Look at how price respected Thursday opening price. Just go and mark the opening price. So price just went to that level, just missed it with a tick, and then came back down to the 50% of the 1 day BC. So I'll go to the 1 minute time frame. So if you look, when we tapped lower, we took out this liquidity, and then we had this jagged price action, which for me gave me an entry targeting the opening range gap of yesterday, which was on Thursday. Sorry, today is on Friday. Today is on Friday. Sorry. So it tapped into the opening range gap of Thursday, and then I was able to get out of that. So I usually target low hanging fruit objectives, despite knowing price could actually gravitate high and keep going up. Personally, I was contented with just this move because that was the most probable trade. So we'll go to the 1 minute time frame, and I'm going to enable my executions. So you can see we had this drop which came to this sell side imbalance. We generated this sell side and this sell side liquidity. So what rests in this relative equal lows liquidity? So the market purged into it, and I was able to execute as the market was coming to attack the sell side. So executed, my stop loss was tight. It was here, just like two ticks below this low, and I wanted to get out of this trade when we tap like the 50% of this opening range gap, and I got out of that trade before this drop began. So you can see we had this drop, and then the market is balancedly moving up. So I'm assuming that this trend could actually keep, and today we might see projection higher, and I'm not interested with that. So I was only interested with a very small move, and I'm contented with that. So for Access Club, once again, happy trading.